How to install Windows 10 on your PC? There are several ways to install Windows 10 on your PC, whether you are upgrading from Windows 7 or 8, installing a new operating system from scratch, or reinstalling a fresh version of Windows 10. There are still ways to get a free Windows 10 upgrade license to how to get a Windows 10 license. All the ways you can still upgrade to Windows 10 for free. There are a variety of ways you can get a Windows 10 license for your PC, and many of them are still free. Upgrade from Windows 7 or 8. Microsoft still offers a free Windows 10 upgrade to PC users who use accessibility tools. You can also still install Windows 10 and enter a Windows 7 or 8 key in the installer to receive a free Windows 10 upgrade license. Once you have performed the upgrade, once your PC has a Windows 10 license forever. So if you upgraded when Windows 10 was released and downgraded shortly after, you are still eligible to upgrade to Windows 10 for free. A license associated with your PC is stored on Microsoft server by a new PC with Windows 10. If your PC came with Windows 10 installed, it likely has a license key embedded into its UEFI firmware. The manufacturer paid for a license, and you can reinstall Windows 10 on the PC without entering the key. Windows 10 installer will pull the key from a chip on the motherboard. Purchase a Windows 10 license if you are building your own PC and don't yet have an operating system. You can purchase a Windows 10 license for Microsoft just as you could with previous version of Windows. Don't get a license. You can also install Windows 10 without entering a product key. You will see message just telling you your Windows 10 system is not licensed and needs to be activated, but it will be completely usable. You can even purchase a Windows 10 license from the store within Windows 10 to turn it into a properly licensed Windows 10 PC. This is a convenient solution for testing Windows 10 on a PC without purchasing it first. Once you know which method is going to work for you, proceed to one of the section below to install Windows 10. How to upgrade to Windows 10 from 7 or 8. Later, you can still get Windows 10 for free from Microsoft accessibility site. You can use Microsoft Upgrade tool to install Windows 10 on your PC. If you already have Windows 7 or 8.1 installed, this will also make it possible to downgrade and go back to Windows 7 or 8.1 after you have performed the upgrade if you don't like it. If you are taking advantage of the assistive technology of it, just download the tool from the assistive technology website and click through the wizard. It will give your PC a free Windows 10 license and install Windows 10. The assistive technology offer will expire on December 31, 2017. However, if you may take advantage of the offer before then, your PC will permanently have a German Windows 10 license.